Jordan and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Blush Brunette. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw Micah Gianneli. She is a fashion Instagrammer and influencer. She's an amazing Instagram feed and I love her style, so I'm going to be showing you guys this Christian Dior outfit that she was wearing as a street style look. And I'm going to be showing you guys the process behind the scenes and basically how I'm going to be drawing it and coloring it. And if you guys didn't know, I have a separate Instagram account called javery_design where I do fashion illustration and draw all of my dresses, because being an illustrator is a big part of who I am as a creative person and designer. So I'm really excited to launch the first ever video of this fashion illustration Javery design series on my YouTube channel. And here is my how to draw a fashion Instagrammer. After doing the pencil sketch, I traced it with the fine ink marker and then erased the pencil. Now I'm using these Copic markers to illustrate the drawing, starting with R12, which is a tea light rose, and then I'm going to be mixing a few shades and then sculpting and just basically contouring her face. The trick to making skin illustration look realistic is to do your lightest color and then to work your way up to the darkest and then to blend with a medium color. That way everything just looks seamless and pops off the page in a really 3D-esque way. Next, I'm going to be taking this hand of different shades of gray and then using that to go over the top and then a little bit on the jeans and then on the back of the skirt, because it is white in the picture, but we need shadows to make it pop off the page and then again look realistic. So now I'm just copying the picture with colors and using it as a reference. I'm going to be going from lightest to darkest again and shadowing and just lots and lots of layers of blue. And then finally topping it off with some teal and then a little bit of black and white gel marker, because that Jelly Roll pen is going to make it look again 3D. And that's basically how you do jeans. Then I'm just going to be focusing on shadowing and then doing the highlights on with Sharpie on her earrings to make them more defined and look like they were really actually outside and sparkling in the sun. Then I'm just placing black on the other areas of the picture, which I need more shadows and obviously highlights with the Jelly Roll pen again, like the shoes and a little bit on the jeans. Then I'm using gray to add more definition and shadows to the top. Next, I'm filling in the skirt and doing more definition on that and making it look more 3D with the number 4 darker gray. Finally, after an hour and a half, the drawing is done and I can sign it and then post it on my Instagram. I hope you guys like this video of seeing the contrast of Micah Gianneli's Instagram picture versus my drawing and seeing the time lapse and basically all of the process and the behind the scenes of how I did it. Here's little close-up shots of the drawing after I finished and the rips in the jeans and all of the colors blended together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below who I should do next and what other videos you'd like to see in this series on my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.